This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework. Homework 22, questions 14 through 17. A 22, 9, and 8 ohm resistor are connected in parallel to an EMF source, which is a battery. A current of 6 amps is in the 9 ohm resistor. Calculate the equivalent resistance of the circuit, answering units of ohms. So let's see, this is a parallel circuit. So let me draw these 3 resistors in parallel with the battery. So there's my battery. There's one resistor. There's another resistor. There's another resistor. All 3 of those will connect back into the battery. So this is 22 ohms. This one is 8 ohms. And this one is 9 ohms. And this tells me that 6 amps is in the 9 ohm resistor. 6 amps is in the 9 ohm resistor. They want the equivalent resistance of the circuit. Well, that really doesn't deal with this, but I've got these 3 resistors that I need to combine to give me an equivalent resistance for that circuit. So I know that 1 over my total resistance is going to equal 1 over the first resistor plus 1 over the second resistor plus 1 over the third resistor. So this is 1 over our total equals 1 over 22 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 9. And if you remember how to do this on your calculator, you're going to use your inverse button, your 1 over button. So let me just pull out a calculator to show you how this works. I have a button that says x to the minus 1. So the easiest way to do this math is going to be 22 inverse, that's 1 over 22, plus 8 inverse, yours might be 1 over x or x minus 1. So 22 to the negative 1 plus 8 to the negative 1 plus 9 to the negative 1. So that's my 1 over 22 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 9. I'm going to hit equals. That number is not our total. That's 1 over our total. So I need to, again, hit that x to the negative 1 button and hit equals. And that gives me my equivalent resistance of 3.55. 3.55156.